Hi, my name is Amrish. You're watching Gourmet at Home. Today, I will be preparing a recipe with you which I am sure you have never heard of. Yes, it's Iral Sutadu. The word Iral means prawn and Sutadu means to grill. I remember my mother used to tell me to get the pickled spices during summertime to pickle the mangoes. But what I see in the jar, pickling is happening for the mangoes, but what happens to the spices? That was a question was never answered to me. So when I became a professional chef, I thought I will be using the pickled spices in my cuisine, in my cooking. So this recipe is inspired from north and south. So I will be pickling the spices and using that as a marinade to season my prawns. And you can use the same marinade to season your chicken, sliced lamb, vegetable or any seafood. So let's start preparing the recipe of Iral Sutadu. So first we will add chopped garlic in a bowl, followed by we will add ginger. So here I have used chopped curry leaves, green coriander, some salt, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chili powder, crushed fennel seeds 2 teaspoons, crushed peppercorns 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, 1 green chili, lemon juice, vinegar, and you know the best way to learn cooking, start interacting with your ingredients. They will answer all your questions. What is the best way to use them? What is the best way to store them? What is the best way to apply them? So start mixing the ingredients with your hand. You have to smash all the ingredients together in a bowl, crushing your garlic, crushing your green chilies, crushing your coriander, curry leaves, ginger, mixing them with spices. But if you do the same process in a blender, trust me, you will not get the right result. So once you have mixed the ingredients in a bowl, you need to crush them with your fingertips, or you can use old classical technique of mixing them on a stone pestle. Now at this stage, we will add some oil and will slowly incorporate the oil with the mixture. Keep smashing your herbs because they will slowly release the flavors and they will get emulsified with the spices, oil, vinegar, lemon. If you want more reddish color, you can add some more red chili powder to it. Or if you want more yellowish color, you can add more turmeric also to this. And now we can season the prawns in our pickled spices. Now leave the prawns for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll start preparing our barbecue. Here I have the curry leaf sticks that I will be using as a skewers for my prawns. So we'll just sharpen them from the tip. When you will grill your prawns on the curry leaf sticks, they will give a very refreshing flavor to your prawns. So we can skewer the prawns on our curry leaf sticks. And here my barbecue is ready and it's a time to grill the prawns now. While you are barbecuing your prawns, you can always apply the pickle marinade on the prawns, so it will prevent the prawns from getting dried Also, it will add more flavor to the prawns. So we need to keep turning the prawns so they are cooked evenly from all the sides. Now the prawns are almost grilled, and this is the time to plate our Iral Sutadu on the platter. But today I don't have any platter with me. So what I have with me is the broken piece of stone. So I will be serving my Iral Sutadu on this broken piece of marble stone. The flavors in these prawns are quite rustic. Presenting them on this broken piece of marble stone will complement the experience. You can also find similar things in your home. Trust me, this will take the dining experience to another level. So let's start plating the prawns in this broken piece of stone. So here I have got some salad vegetables with me. Let's season them with some olive oil, some pepper and some salt. Salad vegetables along with some pickled onions and pickled cucumber. I'm sure it will complement Iral Sutadu. So let's start plating the prawns. Some chopped coriander, a little butter from top, and I have got some green chutney to accompany my Iral Sutadu. I'm sure after watching this recipe, you are gonna barbecue at your home. Eating food is a luxury. Cooking food is a divine experience. See you soon with another interesting recipe on Gourmet at Home.